Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable keyword monitoring with ProRank Tracker. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start using ProRank Tracker for keyword monitoring, visit the official ProRank Tracker website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Add Project in the menu. Click on Add Project to create a new monitoring project. Enter the name of your project, which should reflect the keywords you want to track. Next, you'll need to input your target website's URL. Scroll down to the section where you can add keywords. Type in the keywords you wish to monitor, one at a time. Make sure to focus on keywords that are relevant to your niche. After entering each keyword, select the search engines you want to track. Choose from various options, including Google, Bing, or others available. You can also specify the location for more localized results. Once you've added all relevant keywords, review your entries for accuracy. After confirming your keywords, click on the Create Project button. Your new project will now be listed in your dashboard. Next, click on the project name to view the monitoring details. ProRank Tracker will begin to gather data for your keywords immediately. You can monitor ranking changes over time by accessing the project dashboard. Explore the various reporting features available for deeper insights. Customize how often you want the data to be updated if needed. Utilize the alert system to notify you about significant ranking changes. Regularly check back to analyze your performance with the provided graphs and reports. With consistent monitoring, you can adjust your SEO strategies as needed. This will ultimately help you optimize your online presence effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.